Hello, today we will be doing our Chinese calligraphy work showcase for Chinese 208. The group consists of Ashton Phillips, Abbey Gore, and Christian Mann.
So for my work, I chose regular script number 3. The meaning of the piece was it's fragrant. I chose this piece because I think it was the most interesting of all the ones that we did. With the running radical, it was a difficult part to master, but despite the imperfection of it, I was really happy with how it turned out. I think it was one of my favorite pieces that we did in class, and I'm really happy with how it turned out.
I think you did a great job. The lines were very clean and well organized. I do think the piece could be a little closer together to be more cohesive, but overall you did a great job. I'd also advise making your name and date a little smaller so it doesn't draw attention away.
I also thought it was a fantastic work. It had a good variance of line thickness, and it was a well-organized piece and well-structured. The only thing that I might change is that the date and name were a little big, and it took away from the beauty and the meaning from the characters, because lotus flower is supposed to be beautiful.
For my piece, I did the regular script style. My characters meant river, moon, mountain, sun. I chose this piece because it was one of the first pieces I ever did, and I really liked it because it combined a lot of characters that we had been practicing in class and put them in one big setting for the first time. I can personally see how the lines are a little too shaky in some places, and some of them don't line up perfectly, but I think it's pretty good for a beginner, and I like seeing how far I've come.
I thought this was a really good piece. The only thing I would change is to straighten up some of the lines in the moon and sun specifically. It was also well done for this being one of the first pieces we ever did in class, and it also shows your growth in class, which is an awesome thing to see in a class like this.
This was another great work. I thought once again it was well organized and easy to read. It's also very good for one of the first works we've done with the little practice that we've had up to that point. The only thing that I would change is that on the moon and sun characters, the horizontal strokes at the top and bottom were a little too slanted. I would probably flatten those out a little bit. But other than that, it was a great work. For my work, I did Sill style script, and the meaning of it was traveling thousands of miles. I chose to showcase this work because I enjoy writing and reading the Sill script the most. I enjoy the symmetry and the simplicity of the strokes and the characters themselves. I think it's the easiest to read because of this, and I also enjoy writing it because of its simplicity.
I thought this piece looked really great. The lines weren't very even like they should be in the seal script piece. The only thing that I could see that really needed a little bit of tweaking is on the top left symbol. The curve is touching the line, where I think there needs to be space, as well on the bottom right. The symbol needs to be a little bit closer together. Overall, it was a really great piece, and I think it was a great job.
I also thought it was a great job. I was a little weary of writing the seal script because I wasn't used to how the characters were formed, but you did very well with this project. I would recommend spacing your characters out a little differently so you have more room on the side for the name and the date. But other than that, it was very well done.
Thank y'all so much.